Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in Eureka, California at the Sequoia Park Zoo. But we're not here for the animals. We are going up there to the skywalk. Let's do it. Oh, real quick, I want to thank everybody. We reached 1,000 subscribers. We really appreciate the support and the love and the comments and the likes. I want to thank John Mann, my friend, for my official Where the Road Takes Us hat. If you want to buy merch, we have shirts, journals, some hoodies, and those are below in the shop. Thanks. Let's go check out the Skyway. Okay, so I called it the Skyway. It's actually the Redwood Skywalk at Sequoia Park. We are going to go 100 feet above the forest floor. Into the trees. There's some barn animals, the miniature horses down there. So it's a gradual climb. It's not like stairs going straight up. We have a bear habitat coming. Bears are my favorite animals. Even though I hate seeing them in zoos.
Is that on the train?
There you go. Beautiful and bright.
We are just climbing and climbing and climbing.
They have salamanders too. You gotta tell Sophie.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Good, how about you?
I'm well, thank you. This is amazing. Ooh, that kind of moves a little bit when you walk on it. Wow. So this is a 1/4 mile round trip loop. It is included with the price of the admission to the zoo, which is $25 for non-residents, $15 for residents. Waiting to see dinosaurs walk through here. It's like a whole other world. There's also a path underneath. That is, it's a free, it's a hike that goes down. And they actually have a pond down here that they stock with a rainbow trout that you can fish at if you have a permit. This looks like three faces to me. It's like three wise old men.
And I'm at where the lowest branches are. I know, that's crazy.
And what's amazing is these walkways do not actually touch the trees. They're supported independently. Oh, I lied as I said that. I see I lied. They do go into the trees. Oh well. It was a nice thought for a minute. We are 100 feet up, 10 stories. There are people down there somewhere. I just saw them. Oh, there they are. Way down there. They're behind this giant tree. So that's about 100 feet, 10 stories. And it keeps going and going and going. There they are. There's people down there on the trail right there. And right now it's about, it feels like 65 degrees or so. And 65 is the highest temp in the summer for Eureka. So it's weird to see people wearing jackets in the end of July when we film this. Wow, I'm not sure about that bridge. I mean, I have to go on it. But that bridge looks kind of spooky. Way down there.
Good. Go on.
This video does not do this justice at all. I'm telling you now.
Go ahead, Mom. I'll take your picture. You go ahead.
No, I'm not going on.
Oh,
No, I'm good.
Is it like one person at a time? I don't think so. Oh. Yeah, no, I'm good. Here we go. Only do the ones after, you know.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Oh, this thing really moves. Suspension bridge held up by the trees up there. And you can see underneath here. This guy really moves.
When I think about the age, I think about the holiday. Just think about
So this is a one at a time bridge, a one way at a time bridge, so you have to wait for traffic to come one way before you can go out. So you can see the suspension cables and the bridge itself, and then 100 feet down. All right, tread back. I feel like Indiana Jones.
Okay, it's way up there. Correct. We had some Sears on the western side. When we did the drive, we just got the painted artist point drive.
Artist palette.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Up to Dante's view.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you saw the park bench.
So that last bridge that we were just on, you can skip that bridge. This one you have to go on, it's just a smaller version. So if you don't want to do that other one, you don't have to. But all of these, on the way out, you kind of have to. So the first half is, you know, solid wood bridge. And all the rest of these hanging bridges. Not for the faint of heart, but not too bad. And our last little suspension bridge. Again, these things bounce. Right. Got a hiking trail down here. I mean, a running trail, I should say. Do not touch the trees. Yes, please don't touch the trees. You can see into the zoo here a little bit. There's something over here big. Oh my god, it's a bear. It is a freaking bear. Bears are my favorite animal in the world. I once chased a bear into the woods. That's a story for another day.
Hi, welcome.
Well, this has been amazing. If you are in Eureka, California, or anywhere up here, I recommend coming to the Sequoia Skywalk to be up here 100 feet up above the trees, but not above these trees because these are giant redwoods. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time and see where the road takes us. Take care.